All right, let's talk about one of the most important skills you can learn right now, prompt engineering. Seriously, it's the secret to getting amazing results from AI tools like ChatGPT. We're going to show you how to go from getting just okay answers to getting pure genius.
So, have you ever had this happen? You go to an AI, you type in what you want, and the answer you get back is, well, it's fine. But that's it. It's kind of generic, a little bit off, just not what you had in your head. If you're nodding along, you're definitely not alone. It's a super common problem. But the good news is the fix is way easier than you think.
And that fix is all about mastering what we call the art of the prompt. Now, don't let the name fool you. This isn't some super technical thing just for coders. Nope. Think of it more like learning a new language, the language of AI. And once you speak it, it's a total game changer.
So, what is prompt engineering really? The best way to think about it is this. Imagine you have this incredibly smart assistant, but they take everything you say, well, literally. The AI has all this amazing capability, but it needs you to be the director. You have to give it clear directions. Prompt engineering is just the art of designing those directions, your prompts, to steer the AI exactly where you want it to go. And when you do that, the quality of what you get back just skyrockets.
Okay, so why is this such a big deal? I mean, really, why should you care? Because learning this skill isn't just a small improvement. It fundamentally changes what you can do with AI. The benefits are huge, and, they apply to pretty much anything you'd want to use it for.
So the first massive benefit, it's all about efficiency. Normally, if you wanted to make a huge AI model better, you'd have to retrain it. And that's a process that can cost millions of dollars and takes a mind-boggling amount of computer power. Prompt engineering lets you just skip all that. By just getting better at how you ask, you unlock this huge performance boost from the exact same model, and it costs you nothing.
In this right here, this is where you really get to take the driver's seat. A good prompt gives you pinpoint control. Do you want the AI to sound like a witty history professor, or maybe a super friendly customer service agent? Need the answer in a table, or as a poem, or just 5 simple bullet points? You get to call the shots. You can specify the exact tone, style, and format to get a result that's perfect for what you need.
And that level of control, that's what lets you tackle really specific, complex stuff. We're talking about summarizing a super dense academic paper, or writing a short story in the style of your favorite author, or even getting it to write code for you. Good prompting turns the AI from a jack-of-all-trades into a specialist that can absolutely nail your exact goal.
Okay, so you get the why. You're sold. Now let's get to the fun part, the how. We're going to get practical and look at the core techniques you can start using like today. Let's call these the essential tools for your new prompting toolkit. We're going to zoom in on 4 real powerhouse techniques: few-shot learning, chain of thought, role-playing, and instruction tuning. Let's break down what each of these are and how you can use them.
First up, few-shot learning. This is all about showing the AI what you want instead of just telling it. So you give it a few perfect examples, a few shots of the input and the kind of output you're looking for. This helps the AI get on the same page and understand the exact pattern you want. Next is chain of thought, and this one is brilliant because it's so simple. You literally just add a phrase like "think step by step" to your prompt. That's it. That one little instruction encourages the model to break a problem down and show its work, which dramatically improves its ability to reason through complex questions.
Our next 2 techniques are all about shaping the final product. Role-playing is exactly what it sounds like. You tell the AI who to be. Act as a world-class chef, or you are a professional copywriter. This immediately focuses all of the AI's knowledge through that specific lens, changing its tone, its vocabulary, its whole vibe. And finally, instruction tuning. This is where you have to be precise. Don't just say summarize. No. You say summarize this in 3 concise bullet points, use a professional tone, and keep it under 75 words. Every single one of those constraints you add is like a guide rail, steering the AI closer and closer to exactly what you want. Okay, look at this. This is where it all clicks. A basic prompt like summarize this article, yeah, you'll get a summary, but it's going to be bland. Now look at the engineered prompt. See what's happening? We're using our tools. We've got role-playing, act as a journalist. And we've got instruction tuning, 3 bullet points for a busy executive, be concise and professional. The difference in the quality of the answer you'll get isn't small. It's the difference between a rough first draft and a polished, finished product. So, at the end of the day, unlocking the real potential of AI isn't some secret art that only a few people know. It's a skill anyone can learn. It's about changing how you think, shifting from just asking a question to actually designing a request.
And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? It's a skill, not a secret. The power to get these incredible results from AI tools isn't locked away somewhere. It's right there, in your hands. It all comes down to how well you learn to ask.
So now you have the toolkit. You have the keys to a much more powerful, more precise way of working with AI. The only question left is, what are you going to unlock?